I'll make it all come true.
What is there that you know you need to do, that you want to do this, but for some reason or another, you've been holding back? For some reason or another, you just have not been able to work through the procrastinating or putting it off or justifying, and you know you ought to do this. You really want to do this, but you don't know why you haven't done it. There are times when you're looking at it and you say, I know I need to do this, but I don't feel like it. I don't want to do it.
But I don't accept that. I don't accept that I am what I am and that that is what I am doomed to be. No, I'm fighting. I'm struggling and I'm scraping and kicking and clawing at those weaknesses to change them.
In order to begin to reinvent your life, you've got to make a conscious, deliberate, determined effort. That you really got to put all of yourself into it.
There must be discipline. Discipline calls for strength and fortitude and will. It won't accept weakness. It won't tolerate a breakdown in will. It will put you on the path to strength and health and intelligence and happiness and freedom.
What kind of decisions are you making right now? And where are those decisions going to take you? You get one shot. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better make the kind of decisions that's going to take you to the NBA. You better make the right decisions that's going to take you to the NFL. You better make the right decisions that are going to help you to graduate.
When the alarm goes off in the morning, are you going to get up or are you going to roll over and sleep more? Then are you going to go work out or are you going to go watch TV? It's little decisions like that that put you on the right path.
It's one thing to talk about your destiny. It's one thing to dream about your destiny. But it's another thing to make the decisions, to wake up when you know you're supposed to wake up, to write when you don't feel like writing that paper, to say no to that party that you know is not going to help you, saying no to quitting when you still got 100 more shots to make, saying no when your body said stop, but you put in 50 more push-ups. You can't just talk about it.